Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a new project in Android Studio. So first open Android Studio. So to create a new project in it, we have to first go to the main menu, go to File, New, then New Project. Click on Empty Activity and then click on Next. Here, to create a new project, we have to first define the name of the project. So by any name you can define it. So this is the package name. Whatever new project name you have given, it will automatically come here. So com.example.mynewproject, as I have named the project as my new project. So whatever name you will give, the name will be reflected over here. So this is the save location where your new project file will be saved. Then after that, you don't have to change any of the file over here. After that, you have to just click finish. The new project has been created on the next window. It is importing some new files, so it will take some time. So here your new project has been set up and it is opened in a new window. The name of the project you can see, my new project, as I have named my project as my new project.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.